I recently had a phone call with a US Bank Business Relationship Manager, and I'm about to break down all the data points you need to know to get approved for business funding. What's up guys, Colin Matthew here, and if you're new to the channel, I'm the owner of Credit Veterans. We offer expedited white glove credit repair with a 90-day results guarantee and 12-month warranty. And I'm the owner of Freedom Funders. We help business owners obtain 100K plus in business funding. Click the link in the description below and the pinned comments to learn more about credit repair or business funding. US Bank is a nationwide lender in 28 states, and they are the 5th largest bank in America, right behind Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and PNC. They offer a variety of lending products to include a 0% Platinum card for 18 months and a 0% Triple Cash card for 12 months, along with travel rewards cards and cash back cards, and business lines of credit, business loans, equipment financing, commercial real estate loans, SBA loans, and even practice financing for dentists, medical, vision, and veterinarian doctors. Here are my notes from my call with the relationship manager at US Bank. US Bank has a minimum FICO score of 680 plus, but they also offer a business diversity lending program that drops the FICO requirement by 10 points to 670. This is for minority and women-owned businesses. For their business credit cards, they generally pull TransUnion, but are known really to pull any of the 3 bureaus, and their business credit cards are offered nationwide and no business checking account is required to apply. However, US Bank is a pretty conservative lender in my experience, and I highly recommend, if you want to get the best approval odds and the highest limits, to open that business checking account and season a hefty deposit for at least 30 days and a few little deposits coming in every few days or so for the best possible results. You can be approved for 2 business credit cards, and we like to apply for the Platinum and the Triple Cash as they're both 0% interest. They also offer equipment financing with a soft inquiry with quick decisions up to 200K and all the way up to $1 million. Even have an option to get pre-approved before you go shopping for that piece of equipment. Now, you must be within US Bank footprint and need a branch within your state to get access to their loan products, right? A line of credit or lending. Otherwise, if you're outside of their footprint, you must have that business checking account for 1 year with an average daily balance of $10,000 to qualify for their loan products. You can build an internal score with US Bank to better your approval odds and your limits that you're getting approved for by getting their personal checking account, their business checking account, their merchant services, and pretty much all of their products they offer. US Bank's biggest factor when considering your application is your DTI, your utilization, and your hard inquiries. You're gonna wanna keep those 3 factors completely optimized. With grade A credit of 760 and above, low DTI, utilization, and inquiries, they can offer a business line of credit for $50,000 and below with no docs, no financials. Now, keep in mind, if you are doing funding with US Bank, they own Elan Financial. That's the biggest third-party card issuer in America. So if you already have some lending and credit with Elan, that could lower the amount of approvals you're getting with US Bank. But I'll be covering that in a future video. So be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out. All right guys, that wraps it up here for this video. Here's your recap. US Bank is a nationwide lender in 28 states that offers 0% business credit cards nationwide, even to brand new businesses. And for those within their footprint, they offer soft pull equipment financing up to $1 million, commercial real estate loans, business term loans, SBA loans, and no doc business lines of credit up to $50,000 for companies that are 2 years and older with prime 760 plus credit scores. They generally pull your TransUnion bureau and do not require you to open the business checking account in order to apply for their lending products, but as a conservative lender, it's highly recommended for better results. Guys, if you found this video valuable at all, please do me a huge favor and drop a comment below. Let me know how valuable it was, and be sure to smash that like button. And if you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for, guys? We're coming in with the best lenders, the best data points, and the top 50 banks in America in future videos, guys. As always, guys, links for credit repair and business funding and my mentorship packages are in the pinned comment in the description below. This is Credit with Colin, and I'll see you guys on the next one.